Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing jambalaya. It's very simple and easy to make for you and your family. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get these amazing dishes. Let's get into the first ingredient. All right, so our first ingredient will be your Zeta Ranch jambalaya mix, you guys. This is easy. This is a 40-ounce box. You can get a regular one if you want to, but if you're doing it for a large crowd, this is excellent. Now let's get into the ingredients. Okay, before you add in your rice, what you want to first want to do is have cups of already cooked, chopped up chicken breast, and then you also want to have 4 cups of chopped up andouille sausage. Okay, a cup of celery, a cup of bell pepper, a cup of onions, and a half a cup of garlic, minced garlic. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna get into the next step of adding in the rice. All right, let's add the rice in. Now it has all salt base, everything you need, you know? Everything you need. Spice, tick, everything. That's one thing I do like about it. Right? So just put everything in. Break your clumps up. You see that? And next thing you want to do is pretty much stir in everything. Alright, so stir in all your ingredients. So everything is well evenly, coated. So that means all your vegetables, meat, stirring everything. Make sure everybody gets a portion. Alright, so once you do this, I'm about to add in the 12 cups of hot boiling water. Alright, the oven is already set, as you see, on 400 degrees. And after I finish stirring this up, add the water in, I'll stick it in the oven. Alright, so let me finish this up and I'll show you the next step. Alright, we're about to add in our 12 cups of water, boiling water. So, if you have one of these, this is a lifesaver, you guys. Get a kettle. Cut down the time. You don't have to be doing it over the stove, trying to boil some hot water. This comes to boil probably in a matter of 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, it might seem like a lot of water, but you gotta remember you are dealing with rice. So, put it exact. Because I did this several different times and it came out perfectly, guys. So make sure you put 12 cups of water. So just stir it in. Make sure everything gets incorporated right. And like I said, you can add that here. Don't add no more salt. This is where you can add in a few little things, spicing up if you like. You can add this. I'll show you right here. You can add some crab oil, or you can add some cayenne pepper. Try add in a little bit. So that's all you need. Mine is already spicy. It just kicks it up flavor, in it. So put about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Mix it in. Smells good. All right. So I started on the ingredients. How we gonna do it? Boil. Cover it. Make sure this is covered tightly. It says rice. I'm gonna make sure you do it. So when we finish this, I'll stick it in the oven. Once again, be sure to preheat your oven on 400 degrees. And you're gonna leave it in here for no more than 35 minutes. Follow the box instructions. You won't go wrong. My motto, make sure you stick it in the middle so it can cook evenly, you guys, when you're in the oven. I'll see you back in 35 minutes. All right, so when we took it out the oven, you want to make sure you let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can absorb all the rest of the liquid that you put in there. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I let it stay in there for about 10 minutes. So what you want to do before you serve is fluff up. So just get a fork, a big fork if you want. I got a little small one, and just go through it and stir in all your ingredients. And just go through it, just to make sure everything is fully cooked. You can tell when you're going through it. So just go through it like this and fold it in. And that's all there is to it. So let me get ready to finish folding this in, and I'll show you the ending result. Now, doesn't this jambalaya look amazing, you guys? If you're wondering why it was so much of it, because this is for a large party, but you can actually scale it back. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.